It's time now for the best men's player of the year. And the nominees are...
Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Virgil van Dijk, Mohamed Salah, and the best men's player of the year is Cristiano Ronaldo.
'19 was once again an unforgettable, memorable and mind-blowing year for the iconic number 7. He played staggering 50 games in one single year at the age of 34, picked up 22 Man of Match awards in those games, helping his respective teams to 3 official titles, thanks in no small part to his 39 goals scored. What a year, but it didn't stop there. Several new records were broken wearing the colours of Portugal and Juve around the continent. And when you think it couldn't possibly get any better, he scores 23 goals in 27 games at the start of the new season. Ladies and gentlemen, your player of the year, Globe Soccer Awards, is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Congratulations.
Well, good evening to everybody. I have to thank to my family, to my girlfriend, to my boy there, Cristiano is coming this time. My 3 kids, they're waiting for me in the hotel. We go back to Turin. My friends, my family watch me in Portugal. My teammates of Juventus, the national team, my agent, the whole people here tonight support this gala, Global Soccer. I have to say thank you to Arabic community, which is always great with me. I have to thank as well to Dubai. It's a marvelous place to be. I'm coming every year, and I love this place. But and to finally, it's to thanks who voting on me. It's a great honor to be here and receive this amazing award. And I hope to be here next year again, of course. And thank you, everyone, and Happy New Year.
You flew so high in your career, but everybody is wondering how come you still fly so high on the pitch?
You asked me a question?
Yes.
Okay.
You flew so high in your career with all the awards you won already, but everybody's wondering now after your goal against Sampdoria, how come you still fly so high on the pitch as well?
You mean the goal that I scored 2 weeks ago? Well, it's a fantastic goal, but since I started my career, I scored more than 700 goals. So to say which one was the best for me is difficult. But I have to say, probably with the head, is one of the best, or maybe the best, because I jump very high. They say 256, but I'm sure 100% that I jump more than that. But it's okay. The guy who do the calculation, they don't see very well the jump, but I'm so proud.
Thank you. We're very proud of you too. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations, Cristiano.